Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A56. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A56 and now you want to block ads on your device, let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your phone settings, open it, and here you will get the Google settings. Just select it, and here select all services, and then go for privacy and security section, and then select ads. And here just select delete advertising ID. Tap on it, then tap on it again. In this way you can easily delete your advertising ID, and after that just go back, and here's the usage and diagnostics. Select it, and here you must have to disable the setting, but tap on it and it will be disabled. In this way you can easily block ads on your device. But the second way, you just have to try, just go back, and here go from main settings, and then just scroll down and you will get the security and privacy. Here's that, tap on it, and here just look for more privacy settings, and then you just have to look for ads and you just have diagnostic, which we have just disable. You can easily disable them from here. Just open ads and there just delete your advertising ID, which we have just deleted. And here's the usage and diagnostics. Just tap on the setting and it will disable just like this. So that's how you can easily block pop-up ads on your device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.